Hey, what's up everybody? Good, you're already here. I wanted to show you the bike of the week this week. This week it's a 2026 Road Glide with a Milwaukee 8117 engine boasting 105 horsepower, 130 foot-pounds of torque, and still getting 44 miles to the gallon. That's impressive. As you can see, it's got LED lighting up front and in the back. The lighting matches the lines of the bike with no added distractions and no added clutter to the bike. Done up in a trim package of chrome with a set of chrome handlebars. They have 27 degrees of movement and completely unobstructing your view of the 12.3 inch OS Skyline infotainment center. And in the teal thunder color with vivid black, this bike's definitely gonna stand out in the crowd. So come throw your leg over it today and check out our bike of the week here at Coziahr Harley-Davidson.